Welcome back to Nugget Garage. This week we're going to put this thing on the dyno and see how we go with it. We've also hit 10,000 subscribers this week, so thanks to all you guys, that is awesome. Hopefully we'll get another 10,000 soon.
So we thought we'd run the go-kart up on the dyno, sort of get an idea of where the air fuel ratio is and what sort of power it makes standard. Heard that the turbocharged single cylinder doesn't really work because of reversion and problems, but we've got an idea how to fix that as well. So figure we'll try and see what it makes now. That way we've got a good gauge of if we can actually make a gain with the turbo later.
We'll catch on fire again.
Yeah, the fuel tank's leaking, so maybe this time.
Tight the fuel tank straps as well.
It's not exactly.
It's premium, dude. We're not going to get past the speed though.
If you go around it with enough speed, maybe.
Oh god. Oh! Put on some weight since last time.
What is it?
What'd you do?
Nice fuel tank mount.
Hey? Fuel tank's spin.
No brakes.
Fast. It's fast. I'm faster than I expected. Will it fit? You mean we are actually going to catch on fire? Righto, chubs. In you get. Whoa, that is loud. So it'll do 90.
Yeah. So we'll try and start the run from 30 and finish at 90. Maybe this is a happier CPR 250 engine, right?
the hell?
So those last few pulls were with no muffler on it. We'll try and stick this rather restrictive muffler that shuts it up pretty well. See how much power we lose from that.
Muffler on. And lost 2 horsepower.
It was the mid-range you lost.
Oh, I lost heaps in mid-range, didn't it?
Right, so it somehow made 35 horsepower. I'm guessing that's probably pretty close to what it makes with the engine. Maybe the motorcycle with a bigger tyre, different gearing affects the power rating. Speaking of gearing, we're only getting to sort of 85 k's an hour in 6th gear at 10.5, so we'll probably have to drop a few teeth on the back sprocket. Air fuel ratio wise, runs pretty lean through the mid-range. Probably nothing we can't sort with the ethanol tune with the turbo. Speaking of that, it's an RHB31 turbo. I think it's off a Suzuki Cappuccino, sometimes called a VZ21. Hopefully we can get into that this week. We've got to do an oil feed and oil drain. There's a bit of mucking around. Apparently there's a few issues with a single cylinder engine with the turbo to do with intake and exhaust valves opening, reversion and whatnot. I've read a few white papers from, actually a couple of MIT white papers that say you can use a inlet capacitor that's got to be about 7 times the engine size, so we might try and build a big plenum off here, probably 1.2 litres. That way the turbo can fill it, the engine can vacate it, and we should be able to make a steady boost, make a gain.
We decided to challenge the NuggKart with our Nugget Garage mascot KE26 Corolla panel van, which runs its original 1166cc 4-cylinder engine. It's bigger than the Go-kart. What's going to make more power?
I just want to see if we still have the Go-kart one. See how we go.
Yeah, it's got chocks. Oh dear. No! No! Oh. Oh. I can't do it again. It's got to make more.
Can't even make the torque. Actually, to be fair, you should try and run it in 3rd gear.
So this is 3rd to make it similar to the Go-kart.
See if we can get the torque readings similar.
Wow. Corolla's the same as a go-kart. We did intend to start the turbo install this video, but the flange plate and the oil feed kit that we bought at the same time as the turbo hasn't turned up because, well, Australia Post. So Scott's threatening to weld the turbo to the exhaust pipe and do it truck style, and also weld the oil fittings to it as well. So hopefully they'll turn up. Clutch in, hang on, you're not lined up. Do we need the tape measure for this? Shit, I think he won.